Hello guys, a lot of our favorite brands right now are into food delivery, and you know what, yeah, it's their bread and butter right now because it's dine in. A lot of people are still hesitant to dine in at a restaurant right now. I think even you, I think, is a bit hesitant to go out and eat yet. So today it's gonna be delivery expectations versus reality time. So what are our expectations? Because today I'm gonna have a sinugba budol. You can see it. I'll show you the picture later. Wait. It's so dark. But yeah, I'm receiving a sinugba budol. Yeah, there it is. A sinugba budol. And that's a beautiful picture, guys. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna receive in a bit from Lantau restaurant. So Lantau. Yeah, Lantau native restaurant. So it's one of the best, Filipino restaurant brands in Cebu, and it is managed by the famous Pahes group of companies. So the same group of Top of Cebu, House of Lechon, and of course Lantau. And today we are gonna try out their sinugba budol. So what's in the sinugba budol? So ato tanawon. So on the sinugba budol, we'll have a pork belly, pork barbecue, chorizo, boneless bangus, bacolod chicken, and java rice. So muna ang challenge sometimes good. It's the pictures look so nice, and when it arrives home, siglahi nagnaon kay of course ibiyahe pagod na. So muna ato expectation, muna yung ilang promise. Ano to ang reality? Would it be as good looking as this one? I mean, diba? I don't expect no na pareho yet because it's gonna be Nagunay Rider. So, you'll see how they present it, how it's packed, and how it's transported because a lot of us are into deliveries at karon. So, muna, we'll see. And hopefully, maayo ra sad. Pero karon sad, aton sa tanawon, of course, ang flavor. Of course, sinugba ko na. I'm sure lami na. I hope init pa siya. Mga nato mga expectations. So, you want it init, you want it lami. And most of all, in this time, it should look good also para na tayo mga restaurant experience sa balay. So, in a bit, maabot na ron ang rider and wala. Let's play expectations versus reality. So, ano ni? Sa lantaw ni Bay? May to. So bay, ningon sila before 12 abot na. Pay 12 na si sir. Grabe de, giputos gining maayo de. So sa lantaw gyud ka sir. Gani. So mo deliver ni yung lantaw na sila own delivery de. Na mo own delivery bay? Or nag-deliver ka. Si on karon. So may gyud na namoy iniyog yung own delivery sad. And hiningon gyud siya ni Astas yan. Tanawan ni garantiya gyud siya ha. Unsay mo nga sir?
Si Lloyd Campaner.
Thank you kay sir. Sumana. Na ni mga sauce pa gyud. So ato ning abrihan ron taod-taod para amo ning enjoyon sa to.
Lamig di kayo.
Di gyud mamahay ha. Thank you kay sir ha. Sige, kita-kita niya ta pohon. So mana to expectation, di ba? Og reality. Yay, mura maglindot sa king reality ba? Alright. Abrihan na to and how it looks like before na to isud sa bahay. So nakahikot yun siya. Lindot pagkapak. Ay. Tanaw nila to ron. Kanindot niya na pa siya nigo daan ba? Nigo. Plus na siya attention to detail na nagi-saging na kanang dahon sa saging. Gliara. Apa kay bay. Ala, kita mana. Right. Alas 12 na gyud. So it's time to eat bay. Let's go. Mana ni ang barbecue. Nami kayo na, social ko mo ngayon. Really good. Ikaw gini-enjoy with the Java rice ba? Yes, mana tong barbecue karon ang ato nang dalawa ng chorizo nila na barbecue. May ang kunya ka, orange pa kung nang tungkol sa Java rice by the way. Pero may ang kay kunya kay stam is for lean siya, ha, dili siya kang tambok lahit sa siya ba. Orange pa niya kung naong nagkamuritsing pa ko. Kailangan gid kay kanon gud ang budol na magkinamot guys. So hindi gid kali kaya na magkamuritsing tapos mas nino sa balay naman ta. So pwede ra makalimpyo. Yes. Enjoy gid kay ko. So far so good. Super so good gud lang niya. Finally, atong manok. Ganahan ko plus na pati bangos. So takulay na tilawan bangos og liempo. So sulit kayo siya. Ay, 799 cool kayo. Lami gid kayo. Napal chicken inasal. Buff. Napa siya Java rice kayo. Making Java rice. Kung napa extra rice pa ko Java rice. Na. Kaya ka po ko sa mga lima. Kumagin na mo na hulot. Meaning, although dami na isudan gamay, pero dako yung serving, sulit ang serving niya. And later, in a bit, atong final thoughts na lang sa ilang budol. Sinugba budol. Grabe, nindot yung lamigid kaya akong lunch ganina, which is the sinugba budol. It's 799. It can be ordered now via kuan. I'll just put it in the description kay taas ni na link. It's the Pahis Food Group ordering form. So I'll just in the description box nadihaan niya ang link. If you want to order, dayan ang kuan day nila. Ang delivery charge is 50 pesos kung duol ra ko. Kasi ang pick up point ay by dalian ni is in Governor Cuenco Avenue, Banilad, Cebu City ka ng across Banilad Elementary School baka nang sa Pahes na offices ba. Dayon, kuan siya, Cebu City basta duol lang diha mga Cebu City. There's amo Kasambagan, diya sa let's say padung Ayala is around 50 pesos pero kung mga Balawa na gay, Labangon, Mambaling, mga Basak Pitus, Guadalupe, 60 pesos. Tayon kung Mandawi na Bulacau, Pardo, Tisa, Kalunasan, mga Upper Busay, 70 pesos. So, cool kay sa kuanra, affordable gid kaayo. And, mayon gyud ko ninyo, sulit siya. We tried it. Lami ang selections, lami kin Java rice, lami kay kinamot because naay kuan, naay barbecue, nanay liempo, nanay bangos kung katong dili ganahan og karne, nay chorizo, plus na pay inasal, chicken inasal, so Bacolod style na manok. So I really enjoyed it and ganahan kong suwayan na ninyo. And yes, expectation and reality. So ang expectation nako was, it's right there in my expectation. Even the packaging was awesome. Abi na kog maggubot kasi di ba alali mag-deliver ron by. And then may gali kuan ra gyud. Kuan gyud. Dili gubot, nindot kayo pagka-package, napay nigo, napay saging, na kanang attention to detail ba dahon sa saging. So it came out humot. Lami na pa dito yung mga atsara pa yun. So plus sausawan. So super, if nangita mong sinugba, kapuyan mong sugbag inyo, ganahan na lang mong palit o quick fix na lang. Kuha na, Lantaw Native Restaurant of the Pahis Group is naasla lami na seafood budol, sinugba budol guys. So try it out. 799 plus delivery charge. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you na sa itong mga next food trips, and hopefully ang mga sunod sa na expectations versus reality will be makuha gid itong expectations always ang mga delivery. And guys, stay safe guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you na sa pohon sa itong mga next videos. Bye bye.